of the following output characteristics, which is not required to be compatible to the output of a generator or other electric power production sources operating in parallel with an electrical supply system. What is the minimum bending radius for a power and control tray cable with a metallic shielding? The working space in front of fire or electrical equipment may be used to store. Surface non-metallic raceways that have limited smoke-producing characteristics should be. What is the maximum number of branch circuit conductors permitted in a recognized wiring method between luminaries connected together on a single-phase 120-140 volt system?